I'm just too fly to be sick with disease. I choose to be free, baby. I choose me, myself, and I walk my talk all around this block. Cheap rock, healthy as can be, but never used to be. Dusted off myself.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Gail Whitlow, and I'm from Six Nations of the Grand River Territory. I am here at Ancestral Voices on Six Nations, and I am the owner. And what I do here is we work with different medicines, we work with different crystals, and many healing modalities. So I've been asked to talk a little bit about herbal medicine, and specifically I want to mention a couple of them. So the first one I'll talk about is the Labrador tea. Now, Labrador tea we don't find locally in our area. It's found more in northern bogs. And Labrador tea, great tasting. If anybody's never had Labrador tea, you know, it's worth it to give yourself a treat and enjoy some Labrador tea. Labrador tea is good for, one of the good things that it's used for is if you have a lot of congestion, lung congestion, if you have lots of phlegm, it helps to thin the mucus so that you can swallow better and cough less. It's really good for dizziness, weakness in the stomach. Also good for diabetes, but I just want to throw some cautions. Like, you can get all this information on any website. You can go on the web and you can get all of this information. But I just want to let you know that what the difference is between herbal medicines and Western medicines is that they're slower acting, for one, because they take the time to go through your system and do the check and balances and see what's needed. And so there are some cautions, and one of the cautions with this tea would be if you are on blood thinners. Most herbal medicines, they're really high in vitamins, really high in nutrients and minerals, and when you tend to have Western medication as well as herbal medication, what tends to happen is you're getting double the effect. So say you have a reason to be on a blood thinner, then I wouldn't recommend taking Labrador tea, simply because it could make your blood too thin, and that could cause you maybe you could go see your maker a lot earlier than you had planned. But the other thing is, when you're taking herbal medicines, don't overdo it. For instance, if it says 1 to 3 cups, well then don't drink more than 1 to 3 cups. And it's like anything else, the more that you ingest, especially of a very powerful medicine like Labrador tea, the more chances are that it could turn and become toxic to your system. So a lot of people don't throw that caution out there for you, so I'm just kind of alerting you to the fact that less is best, and you just want to work with how you respond once you start to take the tea. If you feel something, a lot of times you might feel a sore tummy, you might feel some other things. Just be responsible to yourself and make sure that you're monitoring your symptoms.